Another aspect of your statistics is interquartile range. So this question is about a specific place at an area and a rainfall. So we have the table below shows some monthly rainfall values and is ranked from the lowest to the highest. So that's what is given to us, as we can see. Now, the upper quartile of the data above is 183. Therefore, find the value of the lower quartile and hence work out the interquartile range of total monthly. So many information, isn't it? Okay, let's break it down. So what's the story with the quartile? Well, it comes from what word? Quarter. What is quarter? 1/4. You take everything and you divide it into quarters. That means you divide it into 4 equal parts. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers. So if I am to divide it into quarters, so into 4 equal parts, that means that I'm going to have 3, 3, and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. So this is quarter 1. This is quarter 2, but we don't call that quarter 2. We call that median because it's in a very middle. And this is quarter 3. So quarter 1 is the lower one. And then quarter 3, as you can guess, it is the upper one. Okay. So now I hope that makes a little bit more sense. So first of all, I want to just show you how did they got that 183, because the problem with this quarter is that it falls in between those two values. So how do we do that? How do we find statistical calculation, statistical data that is between the two numbers? We add them and divide by 2, and that's how we got 183. So now here we have to find that lower one, and hence using that, that's the second thing we have to find, that interquartile range. So how do we find the lower one? Exactly that. We add up the two values and divide it by 2. We put that in the calculator and we get is 93.5. So how do we get that interquartile range? So interquartile range, that is basically quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Okay, so my quarter 3 I just calculated, that's 183 minus, and quarter 1 is 93.5. Again, we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we write down our answer of 89.5.